Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you bookmark your post into Binance Square. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to bookmark a post into your Binance Square, you just simply have to open your Binance application at very first, and after opening that, tap into this Binance icon into the top left corner. Now, after tapping into there, you will get to see a bunch of options. Now you just simply have to select this square option into shortcut. Now into square, you just simply have to select the post which you would like to bookmark. In order to select, just simply tap to the post once. And after tapping into the post, you will get to see these options into here. Now you just simply have to tap into this icon at the very bottom right corner, and after tapping into there, the post will successfully be added to bookmark. This way you can easily bookmark your post into Binance. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.